Yeah, so I got the Snow Joe snowblower, and those are the two batteries that came with it. And then on one battery there is all 3 LEDs light up, and on this one only 2 light up. The last one here doesn't light up. And I'm going to take this apart today to look inside why it doesn't work. So what do you think what happened here? That is the battery here for the Snow Joe that came as remanufactured. That's why it was cheaper. And this is the battery pack. And when you push the test button, then only 2 of those LEDs light up. The low voltage LED does not. So is either the LED broken, or did they solder it in the wrong way? What is the deal there? This part here goes onto here, and there's no insulation whatsoever, and there is a metal spring. So this goes just on here like this, you know? That's how it is, like this. No big deal, right?